In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a database in Odoo. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right to ensure that you have a proper backup of your data. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a refresher, I'm here to walk you through each step, ensuring you understand not just the how, but the why behind each action. First, let's begin by navigating to your database in Odoo. This is where all your information is stored, so it's crucial to identify the correct database, especially if you're managing multiple ones. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, locate your database. It should be clearly listed, but make sure to double-check to avoid any mix-ups. Now, direct your attention to the gear icon situated beside your database. This icon is your gateway to several of the database's settings and options. Clicking on the gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll find the download option. This is what you're looking for, so go ahead and click it. At this point, the system will initiate the process to download a backup of your Odoo database. The backup file is typically in a .zip format, which is widely used for file compression and makes handling larger files more manageable. Ensure that you have adequate storage space on your device before initiating this download. Once you click Download, the process might take a moment, especially if your database is substantial, but patience is key here. After the download completes, you'll find that the backup file you have includes all the critical components of your database. Web UI backups are particularly comprehensive because they don't just store text and numerical data. They also include the file store contents. This means any attachments, images, and binary data stored in your database are captured and preserved in this backup. This is a crucial point because having a complete backup ensures that if anything goes wrong, you can restore everything to its original state with minimal hassle. To wrap things up, I want to emphasize the importance of regular backups. Keeping a current backup is your safety net, protecting your hard work from unforeseen technical issues or data loss. So, make it a habit to perform these backups frequently, especially after significant changes or updates to your system. And there you have it, a complete guide to exporting your Odoo database efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and have a great day.